Is not magic. This is a small science experiment. Put a frozen grape into cold water. The water in the glass will instantly freeze into ice. This is the secret of turning water into ice. Break 5 toothpicks in the middle. Arrange them as shown in the video. Drop water into the middle. Toothpick becomes a star. Put a burning match into the bottle. Put an egg at the mouth of the bottle. The egg is magically swallowed into the bottle. Lay the napkin on the glass. Pour alcohol on it and ignite it with fire. Then cover it with a glass. This is the power of atmospheric pressure. Water will spill when the glass is turned upside down. Just cover the top with newspaper. The water is sealed in the cup. Put a drop of ink on the end of the leaf and place it on the water surface. The leaf runs as if it has a small motor installed. Put 4 sprinklers filled with water. Arrange them together according to the video. Fill a wine jug with water. You'll have a homemade perpetual motion machine. Pour the boiling hot water over. Put a piece of ice in the bottom of the bottle. The water in the bottle will boil again. Mix vegetable oil and toner together. Take a magnet and put it near the magnetic fluid, and many thorns will grow. Did you learn how to do that?